Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. Alhamdulillah, going to our next class number 9 from Medina Book 2. Inshallah, today what we're going to do is we're going to practice our Fa'al Mudari'. So we have done initial introduction, so we're just going to brush up and see how these nouns are formed. The first thing what we need to know with Fa'al Mudari' is that we need to look for Alamatu Mudari', means the sign of Mudari'. So when you see a noun, so what is the sign of Mudari'? There are 4 letters which are used as to make a Fa'al Madi into Mudari'. So any Fa'al Madi will have these signs attached in front of the verb to make it mudari'. What are those? So you see, we know this a, na, ya, ta. Just remember inayat. So we know that's the 3-letter verb nasara, and we've known from past that in Fa'al Madi the vowel sign changes only in the ayn kalima. The fa kalima and the lam kalima will always have fatha, whereas the lam kalima can have fatha, dhamma and kasra. So Fa'al Mudari', same thing here. What we have is the Alamatu Mudari'. The fa kalima will always have sukoon and the lam kalima will always have dhamma, and the action takes place only in the ayn kalima where it can have fatha, dhamma and kasra. So if you see here, nasara, yansuru, daraba, yadribu, and fataha, yaftahu. You see here, the mudari', the ayn kalima is having kasra and ayn kalima is having fatha. So based on this combination in ayn kalima, there are 6 groups which are formed, where the fa'al, all the fa'al sulathi. So this is called sulathi because we are doing 3-letter verb. So that's why it's called Fa'al Thulathi, and this grouping is mainly for the Fa'al Thulathi, that is for the 3-letter verbs. So what are those groups? We got Nasara, Yansuru. These two forms one group. All the verbs which come under this category, which is called Bab Nasara. Bab Nasara will have the Ayn Kalima will have Fatha in Madi and Ayn Kalima will have Dhamma in Mudari'. So Nasara, Yansuru, that will be the pattern. And we have Daraba, Yadribu. So this is called Bab Daraba, which means the Ayn Kalima will have Fatha and the Ayn Kalima in Mudari' will have Kasra. And finally we have Fataha, Yaftahu, is both the Mudari' and Madi and Mudari', they will have Fatha, and the Ayn Kalima is called Bab Fataha. So these fa'als, they're also called fa'al mujarrad. Mujarrad means they're just 3-letter verbs. Then we have 5, 6, 7 and 4-letter verbs which are added some letters which we'll learn later. So but these 3 letters are like pure letters, so they are called mujarrad. So nothing is added to them. So it's fa'al thulathi or fa'al mujarrad. Based on these pattern, where the ayn kalima have fatha or dhamma, or it can have fatha, kasra, or it can have 2 fathas. So how do you remember this? It's just easy to remember. If you listen to this song by Brother Asif, so inshallah it will help you to remember what are these groups.
You know, Fatahu dammin nasara yansuru, Fatahu kasarin daraba yadribu, Fatahatani Fataha yaftahu.
So that's how easy to remember. So Fathu Dammin, Fathu Kasrin, Fatahatani, Nasara Yansuru, Daraba Yadribu, and Fataha Yaftahu. So we're just going to do some practice on each group and see how the fi'l madi and fi'l mudari are conjugated. So if you see Bab Nasara, Bab Daraba, and Bab Fataha. So these are called the groups, and he got some examples here for you. So if you take Bab Nasara, if you see these, all the fi'ls, they fall under those category in which the Ain Kalima will get a Dhamma. The Sajada, Yasjudu. So that will be the pattern. Qatala, Yaqtulu. Darasa, Yadrusu. Sakana, Yaskunu. Shakara, Yashkuru. So here Bab Daraba is Daraba, Yadribu. So Nazala, Yanzilu. Kasara, Yaksiru. Arafa, Ya'arifu. So Bab Fataha will have Fa'ala, Yaf'alu is Fataha, Yaftahu. Bahatha, Yabhathu. Qata'a, Yaqta'u. So this is how it makes things easy to understand and remember these verbs, inshallah. So let's do some practice with the full conjugation. So if you take this verb Darasa is Bab Nasara, which means Darasa Yadrusu. So we have Yadrusu, Yadrusani, Huma Yadrusani, Hum Yadrusuna. So here we have to see what are we looking in a fa'il is fa'il and fa'il. So fa'il in fa'il mudari' in huwa form. So again you have to see if anything is attached to the verb. So there's nothing attached, the fa'il ends here, that means the fa'il is mustatir. So if you see here Yadrusani, so from this is Yadrus is the fa'il, and we can see something is attached. Ani is the sign of dual, and this alif is the fa'il. It's called alif muthanna. And again here we should see Yadrusuna. So waw and noon is the Jama Muzakkar Salim form. You see waw is the fa'il. So we know this is represents hum. So this is how we look for fa'il and fa'il. And hiya tadrusu. Again in here there is nothing attached, so it is mustatir. So when it is mustatir, what we say is we call it as like estimation. It is estimated to hiya. Then tadrusani, the fa'il is alif muthanna, and hunna, we know that the lam kalima will get sukoon, and then here we get yadrusna. So this noon here is not the fa'il. Here the noon is fa'il, but it is not a noon of this dual and hum form, where it is temporarily, it stays and it goes away. Whereas this yadrusna, it is a mabni. This noon is a fa'il. Then we got tadrusu, anta, tadrusani, alif muthanna, and antum tadrusuna. So waw is the fa'il, and anti tadrusina, antuma tadrusani, antunna tadrusna. So noon is the fa'il here. Ana adrusu. So here you see there is no fa'il attached. So here it's called mustatir, and the estimation is ana adrusu. Nahnu nadrusu. So again here the fa'il is not attached, so it is mustatir, and the estimation is nahnu. So if we do one more verb, sajada. Sajada is again bab nasara. So nasara yansuru, sajada yasjudu. Yasjudu, yasjudani, yasjuduna, tasjudu, hiya tasjudu, tasjudani, hunna yasjudna, hunna yasjudna, anta tasjudu male, antuma tasjudani, antum tasjuduna, anti tasjudina. See, ina, anti tasjudina, antuma tasjudani, antunna tasjudna, antunna tasjudna, ana asjudu, nahnu nasjudu. So if we do another from a different bab, nazala, it is bab daraba. So daraba yadribu. So nazala will be nazala yanzilu, yanzilu, yanzilani, yanzuluna. So we should be able to identify which is fa'il and fa'il and where it is mustatir. Tanzilu, tanzilani, hunna yanzilna. Anta tanzilu, male. Antuma tanzilani, antum tanziluna, anti tanzilina. See, ina, anti tanzilina, antuma tanzilani, antunna tanzilna. Ana anzilu, nahnu nanzilu. So we'll do one more. Fa'ala. Fa'ala is bab fataha. Fataha yaftahu. So it's fa'ala yaf'alu. So we do quickly 5 in your pocket. So let's see if you can do this. Yaf'alu, taf'alu, taf'alu, af'alu, naf'alu. So this is the mustatir where the file is not attached and it's easy to remember. So we do full conjugations, and then we got noon aata hai, noon jata hai group where the noon stays in the form and then it goes away in a different form when something comes in forward, like a marfu mansoob. So same thing we have in fa'il as well, which we're going to discuss later. So we have noon aata hai, noon jata hai. So yaf'alani, yaf'aluna, taf'alani, huma, and antuma taf'alani, antum taf'aluna, anti taf'alina, antuma taf'alani. So this is called afwal khamsa, where the noon, the 5 verbs where the noon stays in a marfu form and it goes away in other forms. And then we got mabni group, which is yaf'alna, hunna, and antunna taf'alna. So these are the 3 categories which you can easy to remember. So this 5 in your pocket, if you take any verb, whether it is 3 letter, 4 letter, 5 letter, 6 letter, any letter, and it's quite easy to conjugate, so it makes your life easy. For example, if you see taqabbala, so when Ramadan is coming, when we finish, we will say taqabbalallahu. Taqabbala means he accepted. So if you have to make this into mudari', so all we got to do is put the alamat mudari'. So we will going to learn how these verbs are constructed, but for the moment just how to make mudari' is at alamat mudari', and 5 in your pocket it will be yataqabbalu. So how do we do 5 in your pocket? Yataqabbalu, tataqabbalu, tataqabbalu, ataqabbalu, nataqabbalu. So this is how, if you take another verb, 6 letter verb here, istaghfara, he repented. So he seek forgiveness. So istaghfara, how do you make mudari'? Let's say 5 in your pocket will be yastaghfiru. See, yastaghfiru, tastaghfiru, tastaghfiru, astaghfiru, nastaghfiru. Any fail, so we'll have this pattern. Yeah, yastaghfiru, tastaghfiru, or yataqabbalu, tataqabbalu, tataqabbalu, ataqabbalu, nataqabbalu. So that's an easy way to remember, inshallah. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do practice fi'l maadi as well. So we conjugate a full huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. So huwa kasara. Kasara means he broke. Huma kasara, hum kasaru, hiya kasarat, huma kasarata. Now we know hunna, then things change. We get kasarna, and from here fi'l maadi is quite easy. From hunna it will be tatuma, tumti, tuma, tunna, tuna. So it will be kasarta, kasartuma, kasartum, kasarti, kasartuma, kasartunna, kasartu, kasarna. So the difference here is only huwa and hiya, the file is mustatir, and in all the 12 forms we have file attached to the verb. So that's the 3 letter verb, and if you see something attached here, is alif muthanna, waw jam'u, this ta is ta'utanis, this is not a file. So then alif muthanna again here in kasarta. So this noon is the file, hunna part of the verb is attached, noun is attached, then ta, tuma, tumti, tuma, tunna, tuna, these are all files. So if you want to do mudari', kasara is bab daraba. Daraba means yadribu. So kasara yaksiru. So 5 in your pocket. Yaksiru, taksiru, taksiru, aksiru, naksiru. So we do full conjugation. Yaksiru, yaksirani, yaksiruna, taksiru, taksirani, hunna, yaksirna, hunna, yaksirna. Anta, taksiru, antuma, taksirani, antum, taksiruna. Anti, taksirina, antuma, taksirani, antunna, taksirna. Ana aksiru, nahnu naksiru. So that's the 5 in your pocket. Noon aata hai, noon jata hai, and mabni group. So we'll do the final verb, which will be our next lesson, which we'll be doing using this verb, which is dhahaba. So let's conjugate in Madi. Dhahaba is bab fataha dhahaba yadhabu. Huwa dhahaba, huma dhahaba, hum dhahabu, hiya dhahabat, huma dhahabata, hunna. So we know it's a lam kalima will get sukun, it becomes dhahabna. And from dhahabna, it's a motorway, just it's a highway, you have to go fast. Zahabta, zahabtuma, zahabtum, zahabti, zahabtuma, zahabtunna, zahabtu, zahabna. So if you do mudari', so dhahaba is bab fataha, dhahaba, yadhabu, yadhabani, yadhabuna, anti, hiya, tadhabu, tadhabani, hunna, yadhabna. Anta, tadhabu, male, antuma, tadhabani, antum males, tadhabuna. Anti, tadhabina, antuma, tadhabani, antunna, tadhabna. Ana adhabu, nahnu nadhabu. So this is the practice of fi'l mudari'. So as we write and practice, inshallah, it will get easy. And in our next lesson, we're going to use these verbs and see how they are used. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.